late. It is 10:34 and rolling time was 10:30. So I'm kind of fucked, but oh well. I'll see you guys. So I knew if I was gonna be fashionably late, it would be okay. You know why? Because it was wise of me that there was gonna be a fucking line, dude. There's a long ass line, and it's currently 10:56. I'm pretty sure it'll be like 11:30 by the time we stage. So we made it. We made it to Stance Nation. All that fucking fussing and crying last night of not being able to polish the car, we managed to get it done this morning. Well, not the whole car, but like did a half-ass polish. So we're staging right now. Everybody's here. There's still a long line ahead of us, but there's a lot of cars already inside, so I wonder how the space is gonna look like. I've never been to this event center, so we'll see. Check out that bug though. Check out them reps though. They wanted a quarter tank of glass or less. Yeah, my fucking light's on. Does that count? Stance Nation's judging sheet. Check it out. Bitch can't judge me. Only God can judge me. I'm just kidding. So we're all staged up. Currently just prepping the, the Accord. Dude, she's actually working. She's polishing my wheels. Alright, so we're being kicked out right now. Just because it's 12:30 and the show starts at 2. So we'll see you guys when we get back. It's only 1 o'clock. Look how long that line is to the entrance. Alright, so there's a lot of cars that are fucking hella nice in the parking lot. Check it out. Damn, fucking Stance Nation outside, dude. Especially this FA right here. Hella nice. That's just because I like Hondas. Alright. I'm gonna give everybody that's not inside their own show. Check it out. Still clean, still clean. Damn, that shit hella wet. That shit hella wet. Alright, so I'm gonna be mop. We're at Bonchon. Check it out. Damn. Okay, we'll see you guys back at Stance Nation. Nissan Maxima. I like the pellets on that. just got sold, dude. Just got sold.
Yeah, you have to. Got it. Kinda hit that, huh? Oh yeah. Kinda hit that.
Dude, he bought everything that was on their stand. You don't do that.
Hey, yeah, you need to, man. Get there.
Oh, hell yeah.
Both of ours.
Yeah. Acrylic? Yeah. Dude, it's like couple hundred on eBay. Damn, dude, it is finally not busy here. Earlier when I was walking around, there was so many people I couldn't even talk or whatever, you couldn't hear me, but for sure. I know. What up? Sorry. What do you think? Should I give it a try? You know?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah? I'll do it right now, dude. What is it?
Voodoo.
Go see if I can do it right now. Go.
You guys want to play a free game?
Yeah, man.
I can't do shit. I missed, dude. Intense shine is known to cause blindness. That's half of the cars out here, dude. They're half the cars out here. Oh sh. I don't know. Does that taste good to you, dude? Does that look good?
Oh, you guys got a slushie?
Oh, yeah, you want some?
I'm gonna get one.
It's 5 o'clock now. Okay, 5 o'clock. Hungry. We hungry. We hungry. It's 5 o'clock.
I know she's interested. How did you know? Me and the crew used to do her.
So I was trying to put my battery back, but his ass is over there flirting with her ass. I'm just kidding, they're not. But yeah, we're getting ready to go home. Alright, it's been a long day. We've been here since 11 o'clock. It's about 7 o'clock right now. Everybody's about to wrap up. We're gonna go home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys at the next show. Follow us, Zenith Official.